All my kinky coily girls, look no further. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, girls, we are going to be doing this clip-in install right here. Yes, these are clip-ins. It's giving very much so my hair, very much so wash and go. Let's get into it.
So today's hair was sent over from Curlsqueen. Can we just take a moment for the packaging? Absolutely stunning. And I loved the goodies in this package. It had a detangling brush. It had a adjustable bonnet, okay, and extra clips. But I was really loving the adjustable bonnet, like needed that. But let's get into the clip-ins. They sent me over their Coarse Kinky Coily clip-ins, 22 inches in the color 2. This is what they look like before I co-wash them. You know, I always like to show you what they look like. These are kind of like the seamless clip-ins, so they have like that band at the top. So I'm gonna co-wash and I will be back.
Okay, so I co-washed the clip-ins and I've been letting them air dry overnight. However, they are not completely dry. And at first I was gonna wait, but I'm like, I really don't care because my hair is gonna be wet too. So it should be completely fine. But this is what they look like after being co-washed and semi-air dried. Like I said, they still are a little damp, but it should be fine. I am gonna have to go in and like chop off some of the ends that are like a little straight, but that will be quick and easy because I think I will like have to trim and shape this hair too because, you know, just to like make it look more natural, whatever the case may be. But I did one side of my hair kind of like off camera in terms of like just a little twist because I think I'm just going to do like where is this 5 minute? I think I'm just going to do like this, like have it like this and then just intertwine it with the hair instead of doing it like a wash and go kind of a thing, like wetting it and then defining it and just leaving it. I put some gel on it and then I twisted it and this is what we have. And I just have this little bit that I'm going to be leaving out literally at the top and then around the edges. I just have my hair braided any old kind of way like so, because we're just going to be clipping the clips onto the hair, onto my hair. So let's get into the install, baby.
So like I said, I'm just going to redefine my hair and twist it up, starting off with just like wetting it and then smoothing it out, brushing it, and then I'm gonna add some gel and then smooth that through and then throw it into a twist and just let it be. I feel like these clip-ins really match my texture well. You see, like even with the gel on it, it still kind of like frizzes up a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a twist in, let that sit while I install the actual clip-ins. First twist done, second twist done. Now let's get into installing the clip-ins. I'm going to be using the 3-clip at the back, and for me, I did a lot of spacing with these clip-ins. Like I spaced them out a lot, okay, because this hair is very, very, very thick. So if you put them too close together, it could just look like way too much hair on your head. So that's just like a tip. You could space these out a lot. And for me, like when this is only my second clip right here that I'm adding, and I'm already basically at the middle of my head. But I like to put them like on a slant once I get like closer to the front, just so it looks a little bit more natural. Now we're going in with a 5-clip track, and I am, like I said, clipping it kind of like on an angle at the front so it'll fall a little bit more forward, and then we're just gonna clip that around. This is only my 3rd clip, by the way. Like I said, you can space these out a lot. Please do so. And now we're gonna take the next 5-clipper and start at the front on a slant, and then that one kind of like went only 2/3 around, so I had to kind of like, you know, start the next one, but it was completely fine because like I said, I was spacing it out anyway. So now once I get to the other side, I'm just gonna start the clip on the other side at the front. You get what I'm saying? Like, so it's no gaps as far as the front goes, and it doesn't look like it's missing tracks or anything. So now we're gonna take the 2 clipper to finish it off. These 2 clippers are gonna go right beneath our leave out, so it just looks nice and blended. Now for me, I do kind of prefer the clip-ins where it has a track. Like, these seamless clip-ins are cute, but I still would prefer to have a track just because I feel like it just will blend even better. But now we're just gonna take our twist down and kind of like blend it in with the leave out. You could have left it as is, but for me, I wanted to look extra blended, so I'm just taking my hair and then some of the clip-ins and kind of like twisting it around the hair so it'll be even more intertwined. And to me, like, the blend was crazy. Like, the blend was crazy. So I think it came out really, really nice. I'm just gonna do that to the entire leave out, and it came out cute, like, if I do say so myself. Now, this is what I mean when I say, like, this matches my texture so well. It's insane. Like, get into the texture. That was, for 1, a super quick install, but for 2, I still have like 4 tracks left over. This hair is very, 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 very thick and full, and it is giving the kinky coily girls like myself life. This texture goes crazy, okay? It goes crazy. Now, a couple of things. I thought I was gonna have to cut and shape this hair. I'm like, I'm surely gonna have to cut and shape it. I did not. Like, I did not clip or cut not one piece. It just kind of all worked out in terms of like it creating its own kind of shape, which is bomb. I feel like in the back, I probably could have chopped some of those like longer pieces to just create like an even kind of a moment. But to me, it's really not that big of a deal to go in and cut because it still looks fine. My hair is kind of like a dusty brown kind of a color, and these clip-ins I believe are color 2, and they are kind of like a reddish brown kind of a color. But with that being said, like, my hair still, I feel, blends very nicely with this color without like any noticeable like clockable like, oh, look, that's her hair right there. Like, it's not giving that. But I also am usually able to like blend my hair color with like 1B as well, so I could kind of go either or without having to like dye the clip-ins or anything like that. So if your hair, most people's hair is not like this dusty brown color like mine. Most people have like a just regular brown hair color, but if by chance you do have like a dusty brown kind of a hair color, then you could really, I feel, go with the color 2 or the 1B. Y'all have to let me know down in the comments what you think about like this texture and everything. It is very, very, very kinky coily, and like for me it blends best with my hair because you see like how this looks right here. Like, even when I define my hair, sometimes it still will look super puffy and poofy and frizzy like this, which I feel like is really hard to find textures to match exactly, but this does the job. But you can also get it to look super defined like this part right here too. Like, so it just really all depends on how much work and effort you put into it. For me, like, I wasn't trying to get it super defined because I know my hair does not do that. My hair is not super like together, and like it just is not. Even if it was completely dry when I did start the manipulation process, my hair just does not do that. So this is really, really, really good. This is a great texture for the girls who have like my type of hair texture. It will blend, honey. Y'all gotta let me know down in the comments what y'all think of the clip-ins and of the install, because it's been a very, very, very long time since I've done any sort of kinky curly clip-in install. So let me know down in the comments what you think. Once again, thanks so much to Curlsqueen for sending me over these clip-ins and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the clip-ins, I will have all of the links to the clip-ins and the company down in the description box for you to check it out. Also, be sure to use my coupon code if you want to get yourself a little extra money off. Do not forget to do that. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.